Right, shifting gears, another sign of a slowdown in the housing market. A new report from Redfin shows bidding wars are cooling off amid higher mortgage rates. Yahoo Finance reporter Ronda Lee is here with the details. Hi, Ronda.
Hi, while this may be a bit of good news for buyers, a separate report is showing that home affordability is at its worst level in decades. So let's look at this full scale. Let's go back to January. In January, around about February, we talked about this is an abnormal housing market. It's because of the pandemic. This was not supposed to happen. It's like that going out of business sale. So if you didn't get in on this market in the 2020, 2021, you were missing out. By March, Bank of America comes out with its note, worst housing market for affordability, first-time home buyers, entry-level people being moved out. In April, we put out an article, home buyers, be ready to be disappointed. May, we put out a different article, signs that the housing market is cooling off. So by May, all of these things were there. We started talking in June, we started talking about, hey, you know what? Cash offers, we're not seeing that so much. And we're seeing a slowdown when it comes to these bidding wars. So sellers, you might want to take note. Unfortunately, a lot of people were like, we're good. And then we come to July and everything is like home buyers are canceling their contracts. We're talking about, these would-be home buyers entering a rental market, flooding the rental market, rents too damn high. And here we are today.
Always paints a positive picture for us, Rhonda. So we're talking about affordability. It's certainly been a key issue as we've seen those mortgage rates go up too. If those bidding wars are starting to cool down, what does that mean from an affordability standpoint?
It's still not good because entry level and first time home would-be home buyers were priced out back in March and February. So they were out of the market back then for most areas. Now there are a few areas where you probably could, but that's not the situation for most home buyers. So they were already out of the market. So you have those people being pushed out coming to the renters market. The people who can afford to buy now, the good thing is, they might see some price drops. There's less competition, but they still have to figure out, we're talking about a recession. Do you really want to buy? Now, right now, we're not sure what's happening, we already have inflation with the gas and groceries. So these are things that people are considering. For those who are still in the market, maybe they're going to hold back because people talk in 2023, there's a recession.
Yeah, sentiment certainly going down, although at least what we heard today, points to the fact that consumer sentiment hasn't dipped to where it was a few months ago. We'll continue watching that. Rhonda, as always, appreciate it.